I'm excited to try these do-it-yourself craft foam stamps. I think they're going to make printing very easy. You can make your own stamps out of foam sheets. Draw your shape on the craft foam and then also draw on deep lines on the center of that stamp, which will make grooves that won't print, so they'll have nice designs on them when you do print them on the surface. Can you see that with the stamps that I'm using? I made a Christmas cactus, a bird nest with eggs, and some really nice plain designs that I used. I used the stamps to make some note cards and also to make a print that I placed in a frame. Both turned out well, and I think I can use the stamps over and over again. This awesome do-it-yourself craft foam stamps for easy printing has really turned out well. If you're wanting more ideas for crafts, come on over to welcometonana's.com and join the fun.